woke up in Brooklyn with a frown upon my face. Just left Wisconsin with its cheese enough to start this rat race. But thanks to the brothers right, we don't know where we'll sleep tonight. Yeah, I'm a bird in the sky, and tomorrow when I rise, I'll wake up in Paris with a new love in my heart. Or maybe Germany with that brand new pet I met in Stuttgart. Sky's the limit, it's time to play. I'll put down roots some other day. No need